Hi everyone, this is Dr. Komal Keni from Vet Ozone Clinic. Today we are going to talk about respiratory distress in brachycephalic breeds. Now respiratory distress means not being able to breathe properly. Brachycephalic breeds means breeds like pugs, Rottweilers, Boxers, Shih Tzus, basically the breeds which have flat faces. They don't have snout, but they have flat faces. Okay, so because of having this flat face, their respiratory passage is very narrow, very short. Okay, now what happens because of this is, over a period of time, their soft palate, the upper palate, that is called the soft palate, will overgrow. Okay, will overgrow, and it will close the trachea, which is your windpipe. Okay, the windpipe's opening or the tracheal opening is closed by the overgrown soft palate. So if this is the opening, okay, if this is the opening, and if this is the soft palate which overgrows, then it will constantly keep closing. The moment the dog breathes in, it will go inside and it will close the opening, and then it will come out. It will close, open. So because of this, the dogs are not able to breathe properly. So they will do something like a grunting sound, like so if your dog is doing this, that means that your dog has an overgrown soft palate which needs to be addressed. Okay, so as soon as you see your dog doing something like this, please take your dog to the vet, get him checked and get it corrected. So basically the solution to this is a surgical correction. Okay, so what they do is, if this is the overgrown part, okay, which is closing the trachea, then they will cut this overgrown part of the soft palate and they will suture it. Okay, so after the surgical correction, it will look like this. Okay, so this is the tracheal opening and the soft palate is out here. Okay, so when your dog is breathing, it is not closing the trachea, so the breathing becomes very easy. Okay, imagine you not being able to breathe comfortably 24 hours for God knows how many days, for God knows how many months, for God knows how many years. Now if there are so many people who don't know that a condition like this exists, okay, then you will never be able to understand that your dog is really suffering from something like this. Okay, but it is very uncomfortable, it is very distressing, very stressful for a dog to go through a condition like this. They can also get heat stroke if they are not able to breathe properly, especially during summer season, and they can collapse. They can also get cardiac conditions because of the constant distress of not being able to breathe properly. So there is a pressure on the heart also at the same time. So the heart can also enlarge over a period of time because of not being able to breathe properly. Okay, so your dog can end up going through multiple problems just because of this one condition, which can be corrected if you diagnose it at the right time. If you catch your dog going through symptoms like this at the right time, all these things can be prevented. So that is why it is very important for you to know about this condition and take your dog to the vet as soon as possible. So for your reference and for you to understand better what I have just spoken about, I am attaching a video of a pug who was suffering from the same problem and had the kind of symptoms that I am talking about. You can also notice the breathing pattern that he is showing in this video. And also, if you have any queries, any questions, please do put it in the comment box. I will try and answer as soon as possible. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on many such more videos, more informative videos on different topics that I'm going to discuss in future. Thank you.
Yeah.